In June of 2023, Tesla achieved a remarkable milestone. Surpassing Amazon and Alphabet, the parent company of Google, Tesla secured the second position as one of the most innovative companies in the world. Their unique strategy deviated from the traditional approach of creating affordable, mass-produced cars. Instead, they focused on developing an extraordinary vehicle that would create a strong demand for electric vehicles. And now, they're taking this appeal to new heights with the introduction of the remarkable Tesla Cybertruck. Today, we uncover the changes in the final Cybertruck version and reveal when customers can expect its formal delivery. Let's begin. Reports have been pouring in about multiple Cybertruck prototypes spotted in different locations, indicating significant progress in finalizing its features and design. Can you believe that 5 Cybertrucks were even seen cruising together on the road? Talk about an impressive sight! One of these prototypes even embarked on a daring winter testing adventure in New Zealand, showcasing Tesla's dedication to ensuring top-notch performance in all weather conditions. But here's the exciting part. 2 of the Cybertrucks were covered in camouflage, hinting that Tesla still has some secrets up its sleeve. Meanwhile, 2 other prototypes were spotted being shipped, likely for further testing. It's clear that Tesla is actively refining and pushing the limits of the Cybertruck before it hits full-scale production. They're making undeniable strides to bring this innovative electric truck to the market. Speaking of production, let's delve into the remarkable manufacturing process behind the Cybertruck. Tesla's partnership with Giga press maker Hydra has yielded some astonishing developments. In a captivating video, Hydra showcased their awe-inspiring 9,000-ton die-casting machine specifically designed for the Cybertruck. This mammoth machine may seem simple at first glance, but it possesses sophisticated operations that will revolutionize the manufacturing process. Using high-pressure molten metal, Tesla's die-casting technique effortlessly creates intricate parts like the body frame and suspension components of the Cybertruck. This technique ensures remarkable accuracy, efficiency, and consistent results, making it the ideal choice for Tesla's production needs. In fact, the potential acquisition of Hydra by Tesla, along with their in-house production of die-casting machines, known as gigapresses, would be a game-changing move. When you gaze at the photographs of these colossal gigapresses, it's hard not to be in awe. The magnitude and implications of these machines are mind-boggling. They represent the cutting-edge advancements that will shape the future of automotive manufacturing. It's a tantalizing glimpse into how cars will be constructed, leaving every automotive CEO on the planet curious and captivated. Now, let's talk timelines. Tesla isn't kidding when they say they've started early production of the Cybertruck this summer. An employee at Tesla in Texas exudes confidence in delivering the trucks to customers this year. Furthermore, CEO Elon Musk himself confirmed the pilot production line in Fremont and the permanent production line at Giga, Texas. The evidence is stacking up, making it crystal clear that the Cybertruck's launch in the third quarter of 2023 is a surefire bet. But wait, how much will this groundbreaking electric truck cost? We've got the inside scoop on Tesla's upcoming offerings for the Cybertruck. Brace yourselves for a range of options. First up, the dual-motor standard version is expected to start at around $69,000, boasting an estimated range of 350 miles without a full load and 220 miles when fully loaded. The best part? It qualifies for the IRS EV tax credit and comes with additional benefits. Next, prepare for the arrival of the dual-motor long-range trim, likely priced at approximately $79,990. This variant is anticipated to offer an impressive 500 miles of range, and even when fully loaded, it should still provide a substantial 340 miles of range. In fact, Tesla is poised to unveil the tri-motor performance trim with a price tag of $99,990, or just $10 shy of $100,000. This beast of a truck will undoubtedly set pulses racing and turn heads on the road. Here, let's dive into the exciting details surrounding the Tesla Cybertruck. First, let's talk about the different versions and their mind-blowing features. While the latest version won't be eligible for the EV tax credit, it's geared towards track enthusiasts seeking the most extraordinary experience. This beast of a truck boasts an astonishing 600 miles of range, showcasing Tesla's cutting-edge technology. Even when fully loaded, it still delivers an impressive 375 miles of range. And we cannot ignore the financial aspect of the Cybertruck. The Cybertruck lineup offers options for various budgets and needs. Take the dual-motor long-range version as an example. With the EV tax credit factored in, the price drops to $72,490. In states like Colorado, where a $5,000 state tax credit for EVs is implemented, the price reduces even further to $67,490. Crunching the numbers reveals that you can obtain this remarkable truck at a net cost of nearly $12,500 lower than its original price. But the financial benefits don't end there. Owning an EV pickup truck like the Cybertruck brings tremendous savings in fuel and maintenance costs. Bid farewell to expenses like fuel, oil changes, transmission maintenance, catalytic converters, and oil filters. Brake costs are also minimal due to regenerative braking. Plus, if you're purchasing the truck for business purposes, there are additional tax incentives and deductions available. Now, let's move on to the exterior changes. The legendary Cybertruck has once again made an appearance, this time sporting a stylish rear light bar that catches the eye. Tesla enthusiasts and Cybertruck reservation holders have reason to celebrate, as their feedback was heard. Elon Musk himself assured them that production models will indeed feature a red light bar. It's all about those little tweaks based on customer input to create the perfect ride. In other news, new photos have emerged showcasing the Cybertruck's journey to New Zealand for testing. These images reveal the truck inside a cargo plane and provide close-up views of its features. One exciting confirmation is the presence of a mega frunk, a spacious and flat front trunk. This updated design promises ample storage space, surpassing the original Cybertruck's front trunk. The excitement continues as Tesla's chief designer, Franz von Holzhausen, showcased the Cybertruck at the Peterson Museum. The latest prototype showcased eye-catching triangular side mirrors, a massive windshield wiper, and a convenient button for effortless door opening. These additions further solidify the Cybertruck's futuristic appeal, generating anticipation among enthusiasts of all ages. The Cybertruck features updated hardware for its cameras, and a distinctive notch above the bumper camera has caught our attention. This notch is likely designed to allow water to spray over the camera and keep it clean. This ingenious addition enhances the functionality of the truck, especially in challenging conditions. The construction of the Cybertruck is coming together remarkably well, with refined features that stand out from previous prototypes. The tunnel cover, for example, gracefully closes with an impressive level of silence, surpassing what other trucks have offered. When the cover rolls down and into the Cybertruck, it completely disappears, providing an unobstructed view of the truck's interior. The exterior updates continue with the spiffy new charge port. It looks mighty close to being production ready, complete with a fancy light designed exclusively for the Cybertruck. Tesla's dedication to refining the design and incorporating feedback from enthusiasts is truly commendable. Well, it's time to step inside and explore the interior. The Cybertruck's interior is undeniably impressive, showcasing the latest design elements. The distinctive round yoke steering wheel adds a touch of sophistication, while the center console boasts a convenient pass-through and wireless chargers to cater to modern needs. The centerpiece is the generously sized center screen, rumored to be a substantial 18.5 inches, accompanied by updated paneling for a sleek appearance. The seats, with their perforated design, hint at potential ventilation, reminiscent of the comfortable and ventilated seats found in the popular Model S and X. These interior upgrades contribute to the overall allure of the Cybertruck, captivating the attention and admiration of enthusiasts. Moving on to the battery technology, Tesla has made a final decision to use its new 4680 battery in the Cybertruck. This marks a shift from Panasonic's 2170 cells. The company is collaborating with Asian companies to reduce costs and increase the energy density of these batteries. While Tesla considered all three battery options for the Cybertruck, they ultimately chose the latest 4680 cells due to their cost-effectiveness and production capabilities. The expansion of battery capacity in Tesla's Texas Gigafactory and plans to create additional 4,680 battery capacity at Giga Nevada further emphasize the company's commitment to supporting the production of the Cybertruck. Tesla's Cybertruck is not only impressive in terms of its design and features, but also in its battery technology. Tesla has developed its own high-nickel cathode for the 4,680 battery, enhancing its energy density and improving the Cybertruck's performance. To ensure an adequate supply of the 4,680 battery, Tesla has partnered with Panasonic and LG, leveraging their expertise and facilities. While the Cybertruck's delivery is approaching, it's interesting to see what's happening with its competitors. With the electric vehicle market growing rapidly, Ford was the first to enter the scene with the F-150 Lightning. Chevrolet is also following suit with the Silverado EV. However, Tesla made a strategic decision to hold off on the Cybertruck's launch, allowing them to make it even better than its competitors. In terms of both price and performance, the Cybertruck reigns supreme. Comparing head-to-head, the Cybertruck outshines the competition. The base version of the Cybertruck is priced at $56,500 after factoring in incentives, making it more affordable than the Ford F-150 Lightning and the Silverado EV. The Cybertruck offers breakthrough features that set it apart. Its impressive range spans from 250 miles for the base model to a staggering 500 miles for the top-of-the-line tri-motor model. In comparison, the F-150 Lightning has a range of 230 miles, and the GMC Hummer EV offers 350 miles. Not only does the Cybertruck excel in range, but it also delivers exceptional acceleration. The base model can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 6.5 seconds, while the tri-motor model can achieve it in under 3 seconds. This outperforms both the F-150 Lightning and the Hummer EV. The Cybertruck is packed with features, including standard driver assistance called autopilot, a built-in air compressor, a solar roof, and a power frunk. Additionally, the Cybertruck matches the towing capacity of traditional gas-powered trucks. The base model can tow up to 7,500 pounds, while the tri-motor model can handle an impressive 14,000 pounds. With its range, speed, towing capabilities, and a range of unique features, it's no wonder that the Cybertruck is one of the most highly anticipated electric trucks on the market. Tesla has once again demonstrated its ability to deliver groundbreaking vehicles that push the boundaries of electric transportation. So, are you excited for the Tesla Cybertruck after listening to this production update? Share with us in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, show us some love by hitting that like button and leaving a comment down below. Also, if you're a fan of all things technology, be sure to check out this other video we've got lined up for you. It's packed with all the latest news, tips, and tricks to keep you ahead of the curve.